Hey everyone, it's me Adam here. Today I want to talk about why I should have a ceiling fan, no matter where it's at. I know people are gonna criticize me on not having one, and that's fine. But, ever since I moved into this house back in May of 2025, which was last year's May, um, it's, something. Almost every Michigan home does not have a ceiling fan, and some do. Some do, though. But in places like California, Florida, Tennessee, they all have places where they have ceiling fans. But if you go to a Subway fast food restaurant, they have a ceiling fan pretty much anywhere around here. So, that's it. That's the reason why I want to have a ceiling fan here so bad. I know it may not happen, but who knows? That's it.